In this video, I am going to show how to install Postman API Platform on Windows operating system. So let's get started. At first, open your favorite web browser and browse this URL postman.com, and then download Postman API application for Windows operating system. Click on the products and then select download Postman. Okay. Now download the Postman application to get started with the Postman API platform on Windows. Select Windows. It may take a while for downloading Postman API platform for Windows operating system. After a successful download, go into Downloads folder and then open this installer. If you don't want to create an account or don't want to sign in, select continue without an account. Now you can use the lightweight API client to send requests and view the responses, but that will be all. So open lightweight API client. That's it. Now verify the installation. Search for Postman. You should see look like this. That's it. Postman API platform installed successfully on Windows operating system. Now you can use the Postman API platform. If you like this video, don't forget to like, comment and share. Thank you so much for watching this video.